assigned to answer the assignment number 3. They use the basic limit laws to evaluate the following limits. Number 1 is limit of 2x plus 1 as x approaches to 2. So yung x is papalitan natin yung given na 2 dito. Tapos 2 times 2 plus 1. Then 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then dito lang yung 1. Then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Number 2. Limit of 2x squared minus 7 as x approaches to 1/4. So, papalitan natin yung x dito. So, yung x, papalitan natin ng 1/4. 2 times 1/4 squared minus 7. So, kukunin mo natin yung value nito, 1/4 squared. So, ang value is 1/16. 2 times 1/16 minus 7 is equal to 1/8 minus 7. Tapos yung total is equal to negative 55/8 or negative 6.875. Number 3, limit of x minus 7 squared as x approaches to negative 5. Katulad natin kung ginawa natin sa 1 and 2. Ito yung value ng x. Negative 5 minus 7 squared. So yung total nito, negative 5 minus 7 is equal to negative 12 squared. Total niyang answer is 144.
Okay, let's